Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage purchase orders in Zoho Inventory. This is essential for keeping track of what you're ordering from suppliers and ensuring your stock levels stay accurate. Let's jump right into it. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. This will take you to the Zoho Inventory login page. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your inventory management dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu options. Click on Purchases and an expanded menu will appear with several related options. From this menu, click on Purchase Orders to open the Purchase Orders module. This is where you'll manage all your ordering activities with vendors. Now to create a new purchase order, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click the plus new button. This will open a blank purchase order form where you can begin entering the details of your order. The first thing you'll need to do is select or add a vendor in the vendor name field. If you've worked with this supplier before, simply select them from the dropdown. If it's a new vendor, you can add their information directly from this screen. Next, you'll add items to your purchase order by selecting them from your existing inventory list. If you need to include multiple items, simply click Add Another line to create additional rows for each product you want to order. This flexibility allows you to consolidate orders from the same vendor efficiently. For each item you've added, specify the quantities you need, set the price per unit, and apply any applicable discounts if your vendor offers them. Getting these details right ensures accurate cost tracking and helps maintain your budget. Now set the expected delivery date so you know when to anticipate the stock arrival. You'll also need to choose the warehouse under the Deliver To section. This tells Zoho which location should receive the items, which is especially important if you operate multiple warehouses. If there are any specific terms, notes, or attachments you need to include, such as special shipping instructions or contract documents, this is the time to add them. These details help clarify expectations with your vendor. Finally, you have two options to complete your purchase order. Click Save as Draft if you need to review or edit the order later before sending it. Alternatively, click Save and Send to immediately dispatch the purchase order to your vendor via email. This streamlines communication and gets your order moving faster. You've now successfully created and managed a purchase order in Zoho Inventory, giving you complete control over your procurement process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.